All right, now so let's go ahead and create new admins through this form. So all I want to do, I'm in the all admins file right here. So all I want to do is just go ahead to this link, just create admins right here. I'm gonna go and do a route for this, to make it dynamically. So this will be create dot admins like that. So I'm just gonna copy this route and I'm gonna go to wave.php. And of course, first of all, we're going to display the form and then we're going to go ahead and submit the data. All right, so I want to go ahead and cut this. I want to go right here and just paste this in. So this will be for the form create admins like that. And of course, we will hit the whole controller. And right here, I'm going to go create admins like that. So save this. Now all I want to do is just copy the function and go to the controller and paste it like that. And I'm gonna copy this function and paste. So this, I will cut this and paste it like that. All right, so all of this is going to do is just return a very simple view, nothing else. All right, so this view, we will name it create admins like that. So save this. Let's now copy this and go to the admins right here and paste this in, and this will be .blade.php. All right, like that. So let's go ahead to create dash admins right here, which is this page, which simply like has a very simple form. So copy this part and go right here and paste. As always, in the section, let's grab the part. All right, so we want to save this actually. Let's grab this part and we're going to place it right at the top of this. So save right now. Let's go ahead and refresh this. All right, so if we hover over this, you can see down at the bottom, it's going to, it's going to the link create dash admins. So if we click on this, all right, so now it's displaying the form right here. So what we want to do next is simply submit the data. So let me go ahead and copy this and paste. All right, so I'm just going to keep this post like that. I'm going to go ahead and make this create dash admin. So, the post link and the get link will be the same. That's totally fine. Actually, it's much better. All right, and I want to go right here at the function. I'm going to change the function name to store admins like that, and the name right here to store admins like that. So just save it like that, and let's go ahead and copy this and let's go back to the controller, and now let's paste this in, copy this and go right here and paste. So let's cut this and go ahead right here and paste also. So since this will submit the form, I want to pass in the request. I'm going to pass the request also like that. And I want to go right here and I want to go, let's see, store admins like that. This will equal admin, and we're gonna go ahead and create right here. So now we want to go ahead and add is actually let's see, the name right here. This will come from the request right here, and it will come from the input with the name. Let's copy this and paste it like a couple of times. So this right here, let's say this will be the email. This will also come from the input with the name email, and this will be password like that. All right, and actually the password, we're not gonna insert it. We're not gonna insert it in the database as raw data. We need to insert it like a hash. All right. So if we actually go, we have that. We have the code to simply create a hash. I want to go to the controller. I want to go to auth folder right here, and I want to go to register controller, and I want to go down at the bottom right here. If check predicted function create like that, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna see this hash make right here. So this will simply just make a hash. And I'm gonna go ahead and paste it like that, and I'm gonna wrap this data, all right, like that. So let's copy this right now and paste it right here. So yeah, we have to actually include the hash right now. So if we go right here, because we cannot, we cannot go ahead and work with something that we did not import. So you can see that we have this facade right here, well, and we can use this right now. So you just go ahead and paste it like that. I want to go ahead and I want to minimize those because it's a big journey to go at the top right here. So yeah. So yeah, after inserting the data, all I want to do is just go if the store admins right here is done. We're gonna go ahead right here and we're gonna redirect to a page, something like that, and we're gonna go back to the all admins page. So I'm just gonna go to products and I'm gonna go to products controller, and let me just grab this link. So if we go right here, you can see that we have this return redirect link. So let me copy it and let me go right there and paste, and we're not gonna need this, so just remove it. All right, so we're gonna go back to the route all dot admins, and we're not gonna pass in any kind of ID, and we're gonna go with the message, and this message will be success. That's fine, and we're gonna be like admin created successfully, like that. All right, so now let's go ahead and save this. So I want to now go ahead and pick up the code that will simply allow me to display the message in the front end. So if I just go to products and if I go to cart.blade right here, all right, so excuse me, so there is the code. I'm just gonna go to all admins right here. Let's see, I'm gonna go like right above. Let's see, where do we want to go ahead and place it? I want to go like above the cart right away, and I want to paste this in. So this will be a success message, for example. Here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and paste this in, and also paste this in right there. Let's now go ahead and save. So now the message should actually be displayed. So I would say that the back end right now looks great. So what we want to take care of next is simply the form. So let me go back to create admins right here. So the action should be route right here, and if we go back to the web.php, we will see store.admins right here. So we want to go ahead and paste this in. So method post, and there is the action, so it looks great. And the type right here, the type and the input, the type email, and the name is email. And right here the type is text, and the name is actually name, not username. I also want to change this right here to name, like that. All right. And for the password, the type is password right here, and the name is password, so it's looking fine. And the button right here, the type is submit, and the name is submit. So the form is, I would say, it's finished. We like we forgot the most important part, which is CSRF right there. So if we just save this, let's now refresh. All right, so as you can see, let's now go ahead and create our admin. So I'm just gonna go admin, or I can type my own name, that's fine, at gmail.com. all right, so for the name, I'm gonna go ahead and type my name. All right, so no, I pressed enter, which shouldn't happen. So let me refresh this once again. Let me just copy this email. Let me go to the email. So let me refresh this. So let's see if we inserted something or not. All right, so that's taking a while, which I'm not sure why. All right, so we inserted something right there. So let me go ahead and delete this, and let me go once back. Let me go. There is my name, and the password, I'm gonna keep the password as the same as the email. So if we click create, like that. All right, so as you can see, redirect is not found. Basically, it's not founding the redirect class right here, and that makes total sense. If we go right at the top, I'm just gonna go ahead right here. I'm gonna go use, and I'm gonna paste this. So now it should actually work. So let me go and refresh this. All right, so I'm guessing that, you know, we inserted right now. All right, so let me try once again, you know, to test everything. So I'm just gonna go John at gmail.com. So the name is John right here, and the name, you know, the email is the same as the password. If we click create like that, all right, so as you can see, admin created successfully, which is great. Now we're back at the all admins page right here, and as you can see, there is our new admin record. If we click on this, all right, so as you can see, and it's going to be displayed like descendingly based on the ID. So yeah, this is everything that I wanted to show you in this video, and in the next one we're going to move to another part.